To accelerate your progress further, Celigo has released an EDI integration template in the Celigo marketplace, tailored for NetSuite. Designed specifically for sell-side relationships, this template includes pre-configured flows for the most common transaction sets. These being inbound order to create sales orders, inbound order change request to update existing sales orders, outbound order response from the sales order, outbound dispatch advice from the item fulfillment, and outbound invoice from the NetSuite sales invoice. These ready-to-use flows drastically shorten project timelines and implementation costs with pre-built transformations that simplify data mapping, allowing your team to move faster and with greater confidence. Simply drop in the EDI trading partner document, whether it is coming from or going to your customer, and you will have full access to the field mappings and definitions. Whether you're using a pre-built template or building custom flows from scratch, activating EDI integrations is seamless with Flow Builder. Just choose a trading partner during your import or export step, and the selected profile will dynamically display the appropriate EDIFACT transactions available. Let's look at an example of a production scenario where the flow is retrieving EDIFACT orders from Sephora UK. The B2B Manager file parser converts the incoming EDIFACT file into a JSON payload, which is then transformed into NetSuite sales orders. Field and document mappings are fully customizable, giving you full control before executing the flow. In another flow, when sending outbound EDI transactions, such as invoices, the source ERP data is mapped to the trading partner's document specs based on the canonical data mapping structure and pre-built NetSuite searches. In this example, the B2B file generator formats the outbound EDIFACT invoice based on Sephora UK's requirements, with the saved search fields mapped to the appropriate segments. Once a flow runs and transmits data through FTP, AS2, or VAN, all transactions appear in the B2B Manager's EDI Activity Dashboard, your central hub for EDI operations. From here, you can search, download, or access data via API, all from a single interface. Gain complete visibility into acknowledgements and statuses, helping to avoid costly errors and prevent chargebacks. The dashboard's API access allows you to integrate EDI data wherever your business requires it. Want to send error alerts to Slack? Sorted. Need to funnel EDI metrics into a reporting system? Well, easily accomplished using the platform's extensive connector library.